New truck day, sort of. Rival MT10s for everybody. Spicy tofu, silver tofu, Zoot 2, 2 Zoot, 2 Furious. This is the brushless setup. Basically the same, but Hobbywing. Hobbywing Max10. And I got the Earplug Diff in the middle on that. RPM arms on this one. Are you stoked?
Super stoked.
Oh. Oh! Yeah! Yeah. Oh, almost. Oh. Oh no. Oh shit. Well, it looks terrible, but there was a flat landing. Oh, too much brake. Oh, nice. Fuck, I gotta stop saying shit in the middle of the shots. Nice. How's this thing doing? Good, good. Well, so far, holy fuck, they're fun. They're great. They're just like mini MT10s. Not quite as tight, but like control pretty close. Love them. Oh! What? It doesn't stay as even in the air as the Tekno. Nice. Yeah, perfect. Oh. Oh. I landed blind trying to film yours. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, straight on the bumper. That's what it's for, to bump. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was a nasty one. Nope. Nice. Good shit. Yeah. All done. It's a pretty good long battery. Oh yeah, I just ran out of batteries too. There's a whole pack through it. Looks like everything is solid and good. Definitely happy with this. It's a good unit. Now we're gonna get out this one, the old Tofu guts, the new silver Tofu. Oh! Race on! Safety car. Oh! Skirt. I heard the clonk. Holy shit. All right. Yeah. Oh man, you are just sending it into that thing. God, these things are fun. Yeah. Oh no! Good call. Straight into the box. The locked center diff is definitely nicer. This one still has a tendency to lose power when it gets wheelied and off center. Definitely like the locked setup better.
I have forgot my batteries. Shit and onions.
Well, that was a pretty good session though. 2 full batteries, nothing broken at all. This thing is holding up good. This is the oldest body I have and it's in really good shape still. Curves and everything on this I think make it strong. And this one is doing pretty good. Dirty, not so pretty anymore. Ooh, oh shit, head rush. All right. Got this one, we got the Amazon Special Servo and the Max10 and the 3200 kV rocket that was in Sable. And on this one, we got the Quick Run BL60 rocket 2600, a little bit slower motor, and also on 3S. So there we go, kind of a hybrid monster car. And there's the Sable. We need new names for these now. This one used to be Super Sable, but now it's got to be the Toyoty. Spicy Tofu Toyoty. We'll figure it out. If you give a shit, tell me what you think it should be. So this should be fun.